everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY hair mayo mask. Now before I get into the video, I do want to say that I have done hair mayo masks in the past. I have tried the ones that are sold in store, and I have also created my own hair mayo mask at home, but I did not film that for you guys. So I wanted to film this process for you guys and demonstrate for you guys how I apply a hair mayo mask. Now, one reason why I'm doing a hair mayo mask is because if you are familiar with my recent video about my silk press and the heat damage from my silk press, this is one reason why I am doing a hair mayo mask. Aside from that, I usually do a hair mayo mask. I usually deep condition my hair as well. This is really nothing new for me, but I know that there's people out there in general that may not know how to do a hair mayo mask or not sure what to add in a hair mayo mask. And then there's people out there who have experienced the whole silk press and heat damage. And this is going to be a chapter in my natural hair journey. So of course I want to document it, and I want you guys to follow me on the journey of repairing my hair, repairing my curls. So of course, the main ingredient that you need, of course, is mayonnaise. Now, any mayonnaise is fine. Regular mayonnaise is fine, but it needs to be real mayonnaise. So we eat Kraft olive oil mayo regardless. So this is what we got in the household. But any mayo will be fine. You don't have to do this. I'm doing this, but I wanted to add castor oil as well as coconut oil. But I just went ahead and got the black castor oil with coconut in it. So I will be including this into my mask. I'm also using the wild growth hair oil to add into my mask. And I am going to put 1 egg into my mask. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to go ahead and just wet my hair with warm water. Then I'm going to add all the ingredients together, which you guys will see. And then you guys will see me apply the hair mayo mask. So before I wet my hair, I just want to show you guys again how my hair is looking. So this is how my hair is looking. So I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair with warm water, and then I will be back. So this is how my hair is looking wet. I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to part across, do it half up, half down. I'm going to start in the back to apply the hair mask. now that I pretty much applied the mask on my hair, like kind of in sections, I'm gonna go ahead and just take the rest of it and just rub it through my hair. Alright, so now that I've put the mask all on my hair, I'm going to put a plastic shower cap on my head, and I'm going to leave this mask in for 30 minutes. So right now it's currently 4:30, so I'm going to leave this on here till 5 o'clock, and then I'm going to rinse it out, and then I will be back. So this is how my hair is looking after the Mayo mask, and I did gently shampoo it. I used my Ion clarifying shampoo. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add some of my Texture by Cantu leave-in plus rinse out hydrating conditioner. Apply this throughout my hair. So my hair actually, after this mask, is actually, you know, starting to look a little bit better. So this is really telling me and showing me that there's hope. So again, this is after the hair Mayo mask. So that was pretty much it for this video. It was just my DIY hair Mayo mask. In the process of trying to repair my hair and get my natural curls back, I will be doing a hair Mayo mask once a week. So I'll be sure to leave all the products that I use to make my hair Mayo mask down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from me. And I will see you in my next one.